Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price target areas, give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours and also days, and also discuss my long-term Elliot structures, that is analysis here on the Matic chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term Elliot analysis, where you can see that from these low prices back in 2021, we saw this massive bounce to the upper side in a move that gave us an all-time high at around the $2.89 mark, in a move that completed the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that at the time of this recording has now given us a low at around the $0.32 mark, which is an area that we expected to see Matic get into using the Fibonacci's by connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, where you can see that the minimum retracement area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 was fully maximized, and at some point we lost the fib level 0.78 and we touched the fib level 0.88, which continued to act as support, and there are high chances that that could still be the low for the second wave. And in the next coming months, we can see that a reaction to the target area and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, which I'm expecting once the bull market starts. There are also chances that here on the daily chart, we might continue seeing further breakdown and maybe get a reset of this low. And in case such a movement plays out, that will be giving us a very nice double bottom here on the charts, from which we can then expect a massive breakout to the upper side and give us a break above the $0.9 mark and continue getting above the $1 mark once the bull market starts. That is what I'm keeping my eyes on the long term. And jumping to the 1 hour chart here on the Matic chart to give you my short term expectations and also the key areas that we need to keep our eyes on for the short term here on the Matic chart. If I zoom out, we have a very nice trend line that has continued to be well respected. And zooming out so that I can show you that, you can see that right here we have seen we saw this massive breakdown this week on the 11th of September in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.4917 mark. And you can see that afterwards we saw this massive bounce to the upper side in a move that has been obeying this trend line that I have here on the charts. And you can now see that at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side, and there are chances that in case we lose this trend line to the lower side, maybe see a 1 hour close or maybe a retest or maybe a 4 hour close outside, that is to the lower side of this trend line, there are high chances that maybe Matic might continue heading further down in a move that could give us a reset of the $0.5 mark, where we have a very significant low. And in case such a movement plays out, maybe from that point we can expect another bounce back to the upper side. And in case things turn out to be more bearish, then I will be expecting a reset of the $0.32 mark, where we also have a very significant low. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on. And on the short term, continue keeping your eyes on a break, maybe to the lower side of this trend line with a successful retest, where we can expect further pullback maybe to the $0.45 mark or maybe the $0.5 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Matic chart. On the indicators also, you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 50 mark, fully supporting higher prices and also lower prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.